To a top story this afternoon, Rhea Chakraborty, Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend and prime accused, is now being grilled by the CBI. It is India Today that has accessed exclusive pictures of Rhea Chakraborty entering the CBI Mumbai office along with her brother Shouvik. This is the first time that Rhea is going to be questioned by the CBI in this case. This is coming nearly a week after CBI began its probe in the late actor's death case. This is also Shouvik's second round of questioning. He was questioned yesterday by the CBI as well. Rhea has been accused by Sushant's family of murdering the actor and siphoning off 15 crore rupees from the account. Rhea, though, has now denied all these charges that have been put forth against her in the exclusive interview that she gave to my colleague Rajdeep Sardesai to India Today. In the past, Rhea has already been grilled by the Enforcement Directorate twice in the Sushant Singh Rajput money trail probe. Meanwhile, the CBI continues grilling Sushant's flatmate Siddharth Pitani, cook Neeraj, for the 8th straight day. So Sushant Singh Rajput's death mystery and the probe widens at the moment. The latest coming in is that Rhea has been summoned by the CBI and is being grilled as we speak. She's the prime accused and is being grilled as we speak. We've also accessed exclusive pictures that are flashing across your screens of Rhea Chakraborty entering the CBI office right there in the financial capital, Mumbai, along with her brother Shouvik. And this is the first time, mind you, that Rhea is going to be grilled by the CBI. The only time before that she was grilled in this particular case was on India Today by my colleague Rajdeep Sardesai. Soon after that explosive and one of the biggest interviews of 2020, the CBI went ahead and summoned Rhea Chakraborty. She's right now at the CBI. The CBI is questioning Rhea as well. And this is the first time that CBI will be questioning her in this particular case. It is coming in a week after the CBI began its probe in Sushant's case. This is also Shouvik's second round of questioning as well. He was questioned yesterday, remember, by the CBI. And Rhea has been accused by Sushant's family of multiple allegations that also includes siphoning off 15 crore rupees. My colleague Pankaj is now joining us live from the CBI SIT office in Mumbai. Pankaj, first up, I'm going to throw straight across to you. What's going on inside the CBI? Of course, the CBI decides to question Rhea Chakraborty, starts the grilling soon after we broke that explosive interview, the biggest one perhaps of 2020, where we were the first to have Rhea break her silence on India Today. At the moment at the CBI, what's going on?
So today is one of the biggest day in the investigation of the CBI. Rhea Chakraborty, one of the prime accused in the case, is inside. So is Shouvik Chakraborty, brother of Rhea Chakraborty. At the same time, the prime witnesses in the case are also inside, namely Siddharth Pitani, Neeraj, Dipesh Sawant as well. Now, some more people who are wearing masks, which we are not able to identify, are also inside. Now, this is a clear indication, Chaiti, that today not only will Rhea Chakraborty be questioned by the CBI officials in exclusivity, but all these prime witnesses as well, who the CBI has been questioning multiple times over the past 1 week, are going to be made to sit together, and then they are going to be quizzed. And the reason for doing that would be simple. CBI officials would want to see and know whether there are any contradictions that are coming in their statements. Now, we are hearing that a detailed questionnaire has now been readied by the CBI, and that is going to be presented first to Rhea Chakraborty alone, and then all the prime witnesses are going to be made sit together in front of Rhea Chakraborty, and then all of them are going to be quizzed together. Right now, my camera person Samir Shanbag is showing you the visuals of the facility, the DRDO facility. What I'm able to see right now is that this area has been completely barricaded, which I never used to see before. Today, I am seeing that this area is completely barricaded here. There are many security guards that have been placed here. Now, at the same time, if I count the cars, there are two grey cars, Chaiti, that I can see. In one of them, CBI officials had come in the morning. In another one, Riya Chakrabarti had come in. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 3 white Innova cars as well, in which the CBI officials had come in the morning. Around 7 CBI officials had come in the morning, which did not only included the interrogators, but also included the forensic experts as well. Now, this is one aspect which we had been telling the viewers from day one, that the CBI team comprises very heavily, relies very heavily on the forensic experts. So now, all the data that has been collected and analyzed by the forensic experts will be here and presented in front of Riya Chakrabarti. Prime witnesses are here.
Okay.
Whatever they have to say, their version is already on record with the CBI.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.